Hey, what's going on? It's Muriel and I'm traveling finally back to my homeland, Costa Rica, currently on the Punta Arenas ferry that brought me from San Jose, first by bus, to the ferry, and now to my town where I live, between Montezuma and Santa Teresa. And I just wanted to share that I'm super thrilled to go home after spending 5 weeks time in the Netherlands, where I'm born and raised. And I can conclude why I love Costa Rica so much, especially after being away from Costa Rica for 5 weeks. And why do I love Costa Rica so much? Well, first of all, I noticed right away the tranquiloness of the people. I noticed it on the plane. I noticed it at the airport. At the temperature, right after landing, feeling that warm blanket of heat falling over you. I love it. And then just look behind me. Look. So we're on the ferry and it's bringing me to my peninsula where I live, right? The beauty says it all. The mountains around San Jose is the first thing that we saw again this morning after waking up. And I come from the flatlands, the cold lands in the wintertime. And this, images and videos says more than 1,000 words, right? Just look at how beautiful. And small islands, you see the small islands behind me? This doesn't bore for me at all. And there's still so much to discover for me. I think I will love Costa Rica way more the coming years because we're planning on discovering more of Costa Rica, buying more land in Costa Rica, and spreading the word. So yeah, that is basically what I wanted to share, and I hope to inspire you. Thanks for following me in my journey as online entrepreneur and Costa Rica expat. This was a long video that I was planning to make it a short, but I was talking so long. I will make it an upstanding video. So it's a bit weird to see. You're not used to me doing longer videos with my camera standing up, basically. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with you. And if you're planning on living in Costa Rica and you feel hesitant, then I warm welcome you to watch my videos. I've made over 650 videos about my journey so far of being a Costa Rica expat, and I want to inspire you by sharing everything I've learned, and then you can make an informed decision yourself. But just keep in mind, there is something pulling you to Costa Rica for a reason. That's the same reason why I was pulled to Costa Rica. Don't let your mind sabotage you by keep thinking too much about all the stuff that you need to arrange. Of course, you need to have your financing in place. If you don't have anything to live on, if you don't have an online business like I do, you sure do have to have your financing in place. Costa Rica is the most expensive country in Latin America, but with the combination of its beauty, the tranquiloness, the safety, the kindness of the people, the expat friendliness, I believe it's one of the best countries to move to in Latin and South America. Then don't let your mind fool you by focusing on your fears and doubts. Just go there to take leaps and figure it all out. The universe is there to help you. With that being said, thank you so much again, and bye from the ferry, and I will keep you posted. Ciao.